Hello, so good night, guys. Welcome back to my video blogs. So we're going to be doing assignment 2 this time. So we're continuing with angles but adding parallel lines to it. So I'm sorry, I think this thing is shaking a lot. Trying not to move that much. So for starters, we have the definition of congruent segments. So you guys can read the definition there. And then also the definition of vertical angles, which are created by intersecting lines are a pair of angles whose sides are two pairs of opposite rays. Okay, so I'm going to get my pen. So here we have what's given, and we have this image. So we have line N, line M. I think that was how we described. Then we have angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and angle 4. So we need to prove that angle 2 and angle 4 are vertical angles, and that angle 1 and angle 3 are vertical angles. So first of all, so the measurement of angle 1 plus the measurement of angle 2 equals a straight line. So 2, and then the measurement of angle 1 plus the measurement of angle 8 plus the measurement of angle 4 equals 180. So then over here, measurement of angle 1 plus measurement of angle 2 equals 180, which also equals the measurement of angle 1 plus the measurement of angle 4. So then we know that the measurement of angle 2 equals the measurement of angle 4. And so we know that angle 2 and angle 4 equal the same thing. So then right here, we know this because of supplementary angles. Over here, we also know that because of supplementary, okay, you guys know what that is, angles. Now over here, I would say that we know this because of substitution. I'm sorry if you guys don't understand my handwriting. And then over here, because of, I would say maybe property, property of, not inequalities, but of the equations. And then lastly, vertical angles. Woohoo! So now if we keep going, angles and parallel lines property. So we have this figure, we have other figure. So any line that intersects a pair of lines in a plane is a transversal of those lines. Angles formed by these lines are named according to their placement in relation to the transversal and two given lines. So we have interior angles and exterior angles. So I'm guessing we have to name them. So interior angles will be the ones between the transversal. So in this case, these are the parallel lines, and this is a transversal line. So then the ones on the inside would be these, I would say. So it's angle 4, that's a weird 4, angle 3, angle 6, and angle 5, yes. And then the exterior angles would be angle 8, angle 7, angle 2 and angle 1. I'm actually looking at my paper through the camera, so it's a bit weird to write. Oh, and if we do the other figure, then the interior angles would be, oh, well, the same ones. And then the same ones. It's kind of the same thing. Anyways. Okay, so now we have alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, and corresponding angles. Okay, so to not flip the page, my laptop is not turning on, so to flip the page we will have to do this. So alternate interior angles would have to be angle 4 and angle 5. So that's angle 4, angle 5, and also angle 3 and 6. Angle 3 and angle 6. Alternate exterior angles would have to be 7 and 2 and 8 and 1. Angle 7 and angle 2, and then angle, what was it? 1 and 8. 1 and 8. Yes. 1 and angle 8. So then, oh, how many lines are there? Okay, so then corresponding angles. So if I'm not mistaken, corresponding would be, in this case, the lines should be, these are the lines that are parallel. So then corresponding would be 6 and 2. Okay, so in this case for the alternate interior, now that I see this, I was using the wrong figure since these are not parallel, but these are parallel, and we can still see that angle 7 and 2 are the alternate exterior, so is angle 8 and 1, and then the same thing with the interior, 4 and 5 and 6 and 3. So then for finally corresponding angles, we would know that it's angle 2 and 6, 4 and 8, 1 and 5, and 3 and 7, since they have the same measurement. And that would be it for today's assignment, since I'm already at 8 minutes and this should be a lot less. So then, like I said, just really quick, 2 and 4, oh, 2 and 6, my bad. 2 and 6, 1 and 7, oh, it's 1 and 5. Well, you guys know what I'm trying to do. 1 and 5.